Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Glad to see you in my channel. Today I am going to solve a common issue in Facebook, that is Facebook video watch. How can I close it? So I am going to close it in front of you and it will help you to do. So let's get started. Okay, first I am going to Facebook. Here it is. You can see this is the Facebook watch. So you can see this is watch. Now I want to close it from here, or you can call it remove it from here. So first we have to go menu. After that we have to go settings and privacy. Now we have to click on settings. Now we have to scroll down and we can find shortcut. We have to click on it. After that we have to go shortcut bar. Now you can see here the watch is enabled. If you want to remove it or close it, you have to enable it. And now I am going to back. You can see Facebook watch is removed from here. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.